liquor got me second guessing.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a kind of makeup get ready with me sort of thing, but I'm not really getting ready for anything, and it's super chill. I'm using my vlog camera today, and I thought I'd just come back on my channel, update you guys on a normal summer look that I would do, a little more glam than usual because I just want to keep it a little interesting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Lisa Phan. If you like my videos, if you like me, please subscribe and like this video. You can also check me out on any of my other social medias on the screen right here. I post on my Instagram more often than anything, but yeah, that's that. Let's just hop into the get ready with me. So the first thing I like to do before I start my makeup is to just cleanse my face. So I use a little cotton pad and the beauty water from Stone & Park, and I love this stuff. This just gets rid of any like dirt on my face or extra makeup from the day before, but I didn't really wear makeup yesterday, so let's just clean the face. Anyway, let's move on. The next thing I like to do is just spray my face with a bit of Badescu spray. I love this stuff. And then to moisturize in the daytime, I've been using the Tatcha Water Gel. I love their water cream, but I wanted to try this out when I ran out, so yeah. And I've been loving it, and it has like this kind of like gold essence to it. I think there's gold in here, and it's quite expensive, and it's an expensive product, but Tatcha in general is so worth it. I love the ingredients they use, and the outcome of it on my skin is amazing. So because I love the results so much, I just splurge on this skincare line. I love it. Kind of just let the moisturizer sit a little bit while I do my eyebrows. So I've been using the Goof proof brow pencil from Benefit, and I just go in with very light strokes and just fill in any more bald areas. I don't want it too dark, so I kind of just really messily apply this. That's my eyebrow. I kind of just follow the natural shape, shade in any of the bald areas, and this is like the quickest way to do eyebrows because being precise and like filling it in really dark is not my cup of tea right now. I like to be very quick with my makeup and messy. And the concealer I'm using today is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I use this for everything. I love it. So, and then I take my concealer brush from Sigma and I just blend everything out so I don't look insane. And those are my eyebrows. And if I need like a longer tail or whatever, I just take a thinner eyebrow pencil. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I just take it and I draw my tail a little longer. You see that? It's not much of a difference, but oh my god, I feel so awkward. I haven't talked to the camera in so long. I'm sorry if this video is a little weird. Now I prime my face, and I have been using the Tatcha one for a little bit, but I'm going for a more glowy skin today, so I'm just gonna take my beloved Pony Effect Glow Starter. I'm sorry if the lighting's weird. And now I will be doing my foundation. So I'm just gonna use my new foundation that I got from NARS. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I only need like a pump and a half. And then I take my Real Technique sponge from my hand. I apply it to my cheeks first, and then I blend out. And I'm sorry the lighting is like so bad today. It's rainy all week, so I'm getting very gray lighting at the moment, and my room is a little bit of a mess, but you know, I chose a really good location. And that pretty much just does it, but then I use any of the extra foundation to apply on my pimples because I have a weird breakout going on. my forehead, and this pimple does not want to go away. Next up, I do all of my face powders. I don't really set my foundation with the powder. I kind of just layer all the other stuff on top. So for bronzer, I love the Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. I finally bought myself the full size because I used up my mini to its fullest potential, and I just take this and apply it on the perimeter of my face, not too harsh. I don't really like to contour. I kind of just warm up the perimeter of my face so I have some more shape. The foundation kind of just makes my face one dimension, and we're not trying to look like a solid circle. And then I take like a dab of product and I just run it on the sides of my nose. It doesn't look like it does much, but I feel like it does, so I do it. And I'm sorry I'm looking at my viewfinder so much. I'm not used to this at all. Next up, I do blush, and I've been really into my blushes lately. So I picked up a new one from ColourPop. It's called Quarters. I just don't know where it is. This is Quarters from ColourPop, and it's just a really nice burnt orange peachy color. I don't really know how to describe it, but I literally am obsessed with blush these days. I never used to want to wear a ton of blush or look like I'm wearing a ton of blush, but now like literally I need the color of like peach or pink on my cheeks. And I also love a burnt rose color sometimes, or dusty rose, you know what I mean? So yeah, I literally like contour with blush, and it looks so good to me because the color just makes the look come and look cohesive. And I think you can see the blush on camera. It's like really prominent IRL. Now I highlight, and before I do highlight, I like to spray a little bit of Mario Badescu spray. So one side at a time. I think I'm gonna go for my all-time fave from Anastasia. I do like the Bretman Rock palette. I use, what do I use? I use Vacation a lot, but today I'm feeling my normal Butterscotch from the Sugar Glow Kit. And then I take my Luxie brush in the tapered highlighter, and I just take it and apply like a little bit on my cheekbone. I don't like a huge amount of highlight, but like a little bit of a glow really makes the skin look healthy. So I do that, and then take my finger and apply it to my brow bone as well, like that. And then I do it to the other side. And then with my fingertips, I apply it on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. So like a little bit on the tip of my nose, and then a tiny bit along the bridge, or whatever I have of it. I don't really have a bridge. I kind of just create one with makeup. So it looks kind of tall if I'm looking straight at you. But on the side, I don't really have a bridge. So this isn't really a setting spray, but I think it just melts all your makeup together. So yeah, so that's that. Now I'm moving on to my eyes. I'm not sure what I want to do today, but I did buy the new ColourPop Soul palette. I'm feeling more of the pinks lately, so yeah, I think we're gonna use these today, but I don't really know what look I'm going for. So of course I always start off with the base color, and I'm just gonna use this creamsicle color right here. Work in this kind of brick color. Per usual, I like to work with my neutrals first, the colors that I do know, and then I top it off with color. And I love my warm colors, so I'm sorry if I keep on using these. Even in my past tutorials, I never really use cool colors because I don't know how to work with blues yet, but I've been really into purple, so I might do a little more purple makeup look in the future if you guys want to see that. Back to school season's coming up. I'm not going to start until August, but yeah, I'll probably do a more, you know, natural makeup look there. But if you guys want me to make a get ready with me with like purples or blue eyeshadows, I would love to try that. I don't really know how to work with that yet, but I'll gladly do an experiment because I really miss playing with makeup. I used to do it a lot, not so much anymore, but I'm getting back into it. I still buy makeup, but just like the basics. I think I need to use this like neon color. It looks kind of muted on camera, but it's pretty bright, this shade. And I'm just gonna pop that on the 3/4 line of my eyelid right there. Sorry, the camera got dark. Oh my god. Anyway, so after that neon color, I want to do that really shimmery orange right here. I don't know if I should do shimmery orange or should I do like this like rose gold color. Like, I don't know which one to do. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with rose gold because the orange wouldn't blend that well. So we're gonna go with rose gold. Take the rose gold color and apply it all over the bottom, right here. And then I'm just gonna highlight my inner eye corners with the same highlight I used on my face. Yeah. But the outer bottom needs some color. Cute. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. I use the Total Temptation from Maybelline, the waterproof version. Love it. And it just works really well with my eyelashes and keeps the curl. Those are my eyes. Really pink. And now for my eyelashes, I think I'm gonna use my favorites at the moment. They are my Kiss Ritzy lashes, and I keep on reusing them. So my lashes are on. I need to apply a little bit of mascara to blend them together. I think it's like poking out with some of the glue right there, so I'm gonna fix any of those spots with black eyeliner. So now for my lips, I think I'm gonna do a blotted lip, and this is Vitamin C from ColourPop, and I love their blotted lip formula, so I'm just gonna tint my lips with this, and I think I want a glossy lip on top, so a little bit of this blotted lip goes a long way, so I just apply it to my bottom lips. And then do that and then blend. That way it creates a little more of a tinted lip color, which I love for the summer. And this matches my eyes so well. Then for gloss, I don't know if I'm feeling Fenty or PS, because they're both really good glosses. I think I'm gonna go with PS just because, you know, ColourPop was pretty much its whole entire makeup look. I love ColourPop so much. So I'm gonna go in with their new lip gloss in PS, which matches Vitamin C really well. I love those lip glosses, by the way, guys. I cannot say enough good things about ColourPop's new releases recently. Okay, I don't know if I should let down my hair. I like kind of tried to curl my hair today for this video so that I look a little more put together. Yeah, I think that looks better. So yeah, I think that's my makeup look. I'm sorry if I didn't talk enough in this video. I don't know how to film these and I keep on looking at my viewfinder, so I'm sorry this whole video was kind of annoying. I just wanted to do my makeup in front of a camera to get used to this again, because I will be vlogging very soon. I'll be traveling in August, kind of late for summer vacation, but that's usually when my family does anything for the summertime. So I'll be traveling in August and I will be vlogging. Let me know if you guys want me to upload all the vlogs on a separate channel or just do a compilation vlog from the 2 places I'm going on this channel, because I kind of just want to keep everything in one area. But if you guys want me to start a little separate channel for more lifestyle and vlog type things, let me know. But until that happens, or if you guys don't want that, I'm just gonna leave everything on here. Let me know what you guys want to see from me in the future. I really want to get back to making videos and doing content for you guys. So yeah, anyway, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look that I created on camera for you guys. It's kind of like my natural, like what I'm comfortable with doing. So yeah, sorry it wasn't oh my god, sorry this wasn't very adventurous. So yeah, that is that for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll list everything I used in today's video down below. Again, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat if you guys want to keep up with my life outside of YouTube, because I know I don't post on here often, but I will try soon. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if I missed anything else I was supposed to say, but yeah, I'll be back with the Q&A soon, vlogs and other type of videos, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. It really means the world to me that you guys stayed and still love my very infrequent videos. And yeah, I think that is finally it for my outro. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye beauties!
Yeah, never be the same, won't judge you like